Want to have a fun Australian Discworld Convention? I'm Heath. Let's talk about planning your time. A very important thing to note about an Australian Discworld Convention is that there are so many events and activities to do, with many happening at the same time. You will not be able to get to every event, so please check the schedule provided in your convention bag to plan out each day. Remember that you can participate as much or as little as you would like. Yes, it's fun to join in, but chatting or people watching is also fun. It takes time to organise a schedule, so if you want to run an event, you can. Make sure you volunteer as early as possible. It doesn't matter if all you have is an idea. The details can be fleshed out as the convention gets closer. But if you don't let us know, your event won't be on the schedule. Go to the volunteer section of our website to find out more. The schedule may not allow space around meal times. Try to fit in eating when you can, or bring snacks if you think you might forget. A reminder that the hotel may not allow external purchased food to be consumed inside, so check before doing so, or if you have a room in the hotel, consider eating there. Even though it's a busy schedule, it can be worth staying back late after the schedule ends for the day. There may be people at the bar to socialise with, or a group playing the social deduction game of Werewolf. So go ahead and join in. Now let's go through the 5-2-1 rule. This rule applies to all conventions, not just the Australian Discworld Convention. The rule means that every day you should try to get at least 5 hours of sleep, at least 2 full meals, and at least 1 shower. Some people follow variants of this, but that's up to you as an individual. Staying up all night might sound fun, but please look after yourself. You will have a much better time for it. If you have any medical conditions that require monitoring, then it is up to you as an adult to monitor your own condition. However, please include this as information when you purchase your membership in case of any emergency. Thanks for watching this video all about how to make it through the convention. Please subscribe to our channel so that you can see all my helpful videos, as well as tons of other amusing videos from previous conventions. Until next time.